So in this tutorial, I will tell you how you can turn off or turn on your notifications in your Snapchat app. So first, you need to open your Snapchat app. Then you need to go to your profile. Then you can see you need to click on settings. After clicking on settings, you need to scroll down and you need to search for notifications. Then click on notification, and now you can click on enable notifications, and you can just allow notifications and just go back. Now your notifications are on your Snapchat app. Now you can do the same to turn it off. Here are the options. You can select from where you need a notification and or what you want to block in, and if you don't need any notifications, any type of notifications, you can just select from there. Okay, so this is how you can manage your notification in your Snapchat app.